Yeah, I won't let people discriminate my child too.
Yes.
Because Filipino, they love
They love white.
judging.
They love
They
white,
love white?
white girls.
They do?
Mm-mm. Because sometimes when, or most of the time
White
Filipino,
colors?
yeah, they like white skin than,
Really?
mm-mm.
Than the darker one?
Yeah, even though that they're dark, they don't.
Even Morena?
Mm-mm.
They just like light skin like that. But
Mm-mm.
you're not dark though. My mm,
Yeah, but
you got light skin.
but if ever, if I give a chance, or if they will give me a chance, I want more dark, more darker than this one. Mm-hmm.
Why?
I'm just proud. I'm just proud to be black. Like, I'm happy that I do have mixed, like black instead of white. But
Mm,
I'm not discriminating white people. I'm just saying I'm proud to be black.
yeah.